Here's a 2016 GMC Acadia. It's just what you need in a full-size crossover, a large and impressive interior with functional carrying capability. And it comes with all the amenities you need. V6 engine, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, wireless audio streaming, dual Skyscape Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, memory exterior door mirror settings, and automatic transmission. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional grade tool. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At Suburban Chevrolet, we're all about service, selection, and value. We're conveniently located in Eden Prairie at Highway 494 and Highway 5. Suburban Chevrolet, a dealer for the people.